Hey guys, welcome to this video. I hope you're all doing good and lying just like this and so bored in quarantine and reading books, doing cooking and every sort of things that you're doing just to fight the boredom. And if you watch series and TV shows, this is the right place for you because I have come with a lot of suggestions and the series that I have watched. So let's begin. We have Two Broke Girls on top of my list. It's so underrated and it's available on Amazon Prime. It has 6 seasons and great for binge watching. It's my personal favorite and is always my favorite. And next we have this great Spanish crime show. It has 2 seasons and it has suspense, thriller, love, drama and mystery. It's a great show for binge watching. Money Heist is my fave. Next is The Big Bang Theory. I literally got addicted to this show and I often rewatch random episodes. Big Bang Theory has 12 seasons and the best for binge. It's available on Amazon, Prime Video and Netflix. Now we have the classic Friends. It's still the most fave for a lot of people. It has 10 seasons and you'll actually be wanting for another 2 seasons because it's so funny, beautiful and romantic. You can totally binge watch Friends. Next, we have Stranger Things. It's a horror show. It's a fantastic show and has 3 seasons. Season 4 is confirmed by the team. It's available on Netflix. It's a science fiction thriller. Next, we have Sex Education. This comes under teen drama, comedy drama, and coming of age story. Apart from the main storyline, it really has a lot of things that we need to hear. Sex Education is now available on Netflix and has 2 seasons as of now. Next, we have My Love from the Start. This is a K drama with 1 season. This has a great story. If you love aliens and supernatural things, you're gonna love this drama. It has great background songs that are highly addictive. We have Four More Shots Please and that's available on Amazon Prime Video. It has 2 seasons and season 3 is much awaited because the season 2 ended with a great twist. This is a great show of 4 girls who become friends unexpectedly and help each other with their lives. Next we have this great show, The Vampire Diaries. If you're interested in vampires, doppelgangers, werewolves, ghosts, witches, then this show is a treat for you. It has all this and really a cool show to watch. It has 8 seasons and I can't stop it right there because there are the originals and the legacies, which are also TV shows related to this. Vampire Diaries is available in Netflix and Prime Video. Goblin is my favorite. It really does melt my heart. Guardian, the lonely and great god, is a Korean drama and the storyline is just close to the heart and so cute. It has great original music tracks. It's super cute TV show. If you are so into supernatural things and believe in goblin and grim reapers, then this is gonna be a great show for you. You'll definitely love it. My heart goes out for those creative directors. I literally got fever after crying for hours after watching this show. It's such a cute show and it's a must watch for you guys. Please go watch now. Next we have The King, Eternal Monarch. It's just like Goblin, a great and heart-touching drama. The parallel universe concept really did attract me and I enjoyed this show so much. Lee Min-ho had my heart from Boys Over Flowers, which is a great show and yeah, watch that if you like high school drama. We have another underrated super good action series, Umbrella Academy. This storyline is really fantastic and I can't wait for season 3. It has time travel concept and literally the concept how infants born with superpowers to someone who isn't even pregnant makes us all crazy. And yeah, this is such a show. It has 2 seasons and available on Netflix. Then I watched The Package. This is an Korean drama. Even though it's not like Goblin or The King, it has its own fan base. And the story is sweet too, which is random people sign up for a tour package from South Korea to Paris. And there they'll get to know each other. It's on Netflix. Then we have The End of the Fucking World. It's a drama with 2 seasons and it's good with one point of view, but it's not like binge worthy. But I like this series. It's directed based on an award winning comic book, and the main cast believes himself as a psychopath, and that's how the story moves. Next, we have Emily in Paris. This is a must watch show. It's comedy drama and a really feel good series. It has one season as of now, but season 2 is so much awaited. This is a great show. Please don't make me cry and go watch. It's available on Netflix. Then I watched Never Have I Ever on Netflix. It has one season and I literally completed it in one night. Yeah, this is good. Being an Indian girl, I could relate to her, but the only difference is she's in America. But yeah, her complicated life in the US is somehow shown humorously. Crash Landing on You is a super cool romantic show. The storyline and the comparison between North and South Korea was so interesting, and I loved the concept so much. She is bold and beautiful, whereas he is serious and reserved. It's beautifully shown how they come along in love. Next, we have Riverdale. It's a teen drama, and that's how I watched, and I didn't like it much. I watched it on Netflix. It has 4 seasons, and the fifth season is expected on January 2021. Then I watched Keeping Up with the Kardashians and Oh Please. I literally was changing my attitude towards everything. And no, that's not a healthy habit. It has 19 seasons, but personally, like Kylie, Kim, Kendall, I watched the show, and yeah, it's good as far. Just a lot of drama. Trinkets is a teen drama with 2 seasons on Netflix. This show is interesting, complicated, and funny and refreshing. The first season was so good, it moved fast, but the second got slightly bored. But if you like the concept, then it's a great show for you to watch. Dark is a thrilling mystery show. It's famous for its turns and twists. It has 3 seasons and available on Netflix. I wasn't so into, but my friends who watched this said this is the best. Blah. Tell me how you feel in the comments. Then I watched this psycho thriller series, You, on Netflix. It has 2 seasons and I kind of liked it, but it gives me headaches at times. In a good way though, it makes us sit on edge of our seats and watch. Then we have this teen mystery drama, 13 Reasons Why. This is a good show, but oh please take a break. While watching, this can drive you mad sometimes. This has 4 seasons and is on Netflix. The main storyline comes from a suicidal girl and the links of states. Indian matchmaking. I watched it for fun, but yeah, it was fun. Also, it reflected some Indian families, so it's good to watch. If you like reality drama, then this will be a great too hard to handle. It's a reality show, has 1 season, it's just too intense. Yeah, there's nothing more to say. You can tell me how it was if you have watched this. Lock and Key, a super good show. Once again, it's a supernatural based show. If you're into that stuff, you should definitely watch it. It has 1 season, there will be a season 2. Then this. It's a comedy drama and also comes under teen drama. I liked this show and enjoyed this so much. The thrilling techno crime has our mind engaged throughout. It has 2 seasons. The main storyline is in the name itself, how to sell drugs online fast. Then I'm currently watching Young Sheldon. I was so obsessed with the character Sheldon in Big Bang Theory. That's why I'm watching this show and totally loving it. It's on Amazon Prime Video. It has further more seasons coming on the way. Gossip Girl is another series that I have watched and loved. Not a lot of people talk about this show. This show is addictive and the plot, oh my, it's so complicated and interesting. It's on Netflix and has 6 seasons. If you watch American teen drama, then Gossip Girl is for you. Mom series is available on Amazon Prime Video. It's amazing and addictive. I loved so much that I binge watched this show. It has 8 seasons, but the story moves fast, so it's not boring. This is one of my fave shows. It's a great sitcom and do watch if you're bored, if you'll definitely like it. Then I watched this anime and was so in love with the series. I binge watched this and completed in 2 days. I loved this Iroduku The World in Colors series. It has only 1 season and super good. It comes under time travel fiction and fantasy. This is available on Amazon Prime Video and YouTube. Yay! So go watch. It has subtitles in YouTube too. So yes guys, let's wrap up our video and I would definitely be so happy if any of my suggestions helped you out. Tell me what you think in the comments. And